When I first started, I knew what I wanted, which was to make a Call of Duty Zombies clone, more or less. And this meant that I needed to make a zombie spawn system. This took a long time. For the first 4 months or so, I hadn't a clue how I was going to implement it. I first had a system that spawned zombies at random points on the map, and that worked just fine when the map only had one room, but I wanted a large map with doors that you needed to pay for, different areas. So I had to come up with my own solution. Mainly because Unity discussions and Stack Overflow didn't have any solutions for me at the time. And my solution was not pretty. Seeing as the map had a lot of different areas, I decided that if I could tell which area the player was in, I would be able to make it so that only the spawn locations that are in that area would be active, thus making it so zombies only spawn nearby and they're unable to spawn in areas that you haven't unlocked yet. This was done by putting a big trigger in each of the areas that covered the floor, and it was connected to a boolean value which let the game know if the player was in the room or not. I then created a list of the spawn location objects used for each room. If the player was in the room, then it would spawn as enemies in that room at a random location. This was a simple version of the system which I didn't really change, I just added upon it. And I changed it to support different zombie types, AI scripts, different chances for each zombie type to spawn. I also hard-coded a boss zombie that spawns every 5 rounds called Big John. He's basically just a big default zombie at the moment, but he will be cool.